Hey guys, Crazy Horse 90210 here, and I am going to be having a special surprise. Well, and Puppy Love 1078, but yeah, special surprise.
She got a new character.
Now I need this. Yeah, you can talk to me. Yep. Have a seat. No, I made a mistake. I meant to say go away. Sorry about that. Come on, turn on. My piano teacher's here. She's giving my brother a lesson right now. And it's only like on 10%. So if this thing runs out of batteries and it's time for me to practice piano, I mean, I don't know.
Where's the stylus?
I have to have it because I'm doing typing in his name and stuff. It doesn't necessarily have to be a him, but I'm just saying. Mind if I sit down? Go away, kitty. Don't be like that. Joe Schmo. Sejimo. Schmo. Joe Schmo. Oh, Joe Schmo. Well, that's a fantastically great name. Yeah, it really is. Cool, right? Dude, outrageous. I'm not a boy. Yeah, I am.
No, what if you said I'm not a boy? You should have done that. That would have been so funny.
Oh, that's sad. Okay. It's a secret. Duh. Maya, haha. Duh, it's a secret. Ugh. You're right. Pretty sharp. Yeah.
I mean Joe Schmo.
I know. Joe Schmo is really mean. No, he's not. He's just really not very smart at all. Well, this is what my Joe Schmo is going to be like.
I found a katydid, or a leaf bug.
Yeah, you did.
I was actually off to go get a bug net and a fishing pole.
Good luck, Joe Schmo. Bye-bye. Let's see how I look. Ooh, let's see how Joe Schmo looks. Let's see how Joe Schmo looks. Let's see how Joe Schmo looks again. Come on. Let's see how Joe Schmo looks. Come on.
I'm looking.
Let's see how Joe Schmo looks. That looks very Joe Schmo. He needs a different hairstyle, though.
You know, he needs like bright blue hair or something.
I know. That's why I'm going to your house. I mean, your town. Yeah. So, I gotta do all the stuff that I need to do very fast so that I can go to your house. Your town. And then get bright blue hair. Okay, so I don't care. I'm just gonna run. Town hall. Hi.
Go fishing.
And then open your gate.
No, dude.
Okay, I don't really care. I really know where I'm gonna live. Honestly, I'm sure. Joe Schmo has to have a interesting house. Perfect place. Hey, bro. No. Hey, bro, Joe Schmo. My bro's Joe Schmo. Nooks Homes. Nooks Homes. Where the Nooks Homes? Nooks. I know where I'm gonna live. Top right corner of the map. Please wait. Right here. Penny, will you get me? I'm gonna. Joe Schmo doesn't have any money, so he can't get you a present. Oh. He needs 500 bells to go to your town to buy a ticket for the train. I know it's 10,000 bells since I started, you know, I started bubbles. Joe Schmo, I love that name. Just gonna go to Isabel again, and then I'm gonna go to Cate's town and get bright blue hair. No, he needs lots of money for bright blue hair. 3,000 bells. Could you give me 3,000 bells? I don't have money. He needs 3,000 bells to get his hair changed. So will you pay for it for me? Can you? Great. Sorry, I need it for this. Can I have a stylus? Where's the stylus? July 11th. Actually, it should have been December 34th. I mean, 31st. Wait, I think December has 31 days. Is it December 30th or December 31st? Now, I just need to get like $1 million. No, 3,000, but I wish Penny, I wish Bubbles just gave me that much. Yay, I'm a resident and all that. Okay, I know how. Thank you. Now give me money. Thank you. Now give me money. There's no way to get money. Oh, wow. It's been glaring like that the whole time. 3,500 bells. 3,500 bells. 3,500 bells. shake some trees. Okay, can you do all the stuff for me? And make sure you get bright blue hair. Okay. Sorry guys, I need to go and Kate will be Joe Schmo for me.
Wait, can we stop so I need to get some water?
Okay, Joe Schmo part 2 is coming up soon.